that semicolon is a very important punctuation mark. The semicolon represents a longer pause of greater importance than that shown by the comma. It is used to join two closely linked clauses which can stand as independent sentences. So, this is how a semicolon looks like, and it is used to join two independent sentences which are closely related. It represents a pause which is greater than that of a comma but smaller than that of a full stop. So it represents a pause which is somewhere in between the pause of a comma and a full stop. And that is why its symbol is a combination of a full stop and a comma. Let us see some important uses of semicolon. A semicolon can be used instead of and. So it can be used instead of and to join two closely linked sentences. I saw a woodpecker and it was sitting on a nearby branch. Now, these are two closely linked sentences. I saw a woodpecker. This is a complete sentence. It was sitting on a nearby branch. Again, a complete sentence. These two sentences can stand alone on their own, but because they are closely linked, we have joined them using and. Instead of this and, what we could have also done was, we could have joined them using a semicolon. So, even this sentence is grammatically correct, but instead of this and, I can also use a semicolon. So, I can rewrite this sentence as I saw a woodpecker, semicolon, it was sitting on a nearby branch. Now, as you can see, the next letter after semicolon, I, is a small letter because this is not a proper noun. Also, there is a space after semicolon, but there is no space before semicolon. Semicolons can be used before words like moreover, nevertheless, however, otherwise, therefore, that link two independent sentences. So in this case, we have two independent sentences. I am very fond of roses. Moreover, they smell really good. So I am giving a long pause after roses because there is a full stop. I am very fond of roses. Moreover, they smell really good. So it's a long pause. But because these two sentences are closely related, I don't want such a long pause. I want a shorter pause. And for a shorter pause, I use a semicolon. So it doesn't matter whether we have words like moreover, however, nevertheless, therefore, otherwise, we can still use a semicolon and join these two sentences. And these words will remain intact. So these words will still be there. So the sentence becomes, I am very fond of roses, semicolon, moreover, they smell really good. So before moreover, we have used a semicolon and M of moreover is small. Now can you join these two sentences using a semicolon? Arya was too excited to go to the shop. However, she did not buy anything. So there was a long pause after shop, but I want a smaller pause because these two sentences are linked or related. Also, there is a however showing the linkage or relationship between these two sentences. So I can simply remove this full stop, put a semicolon, and this however will start with a small h. So the sentence will become, Arya was too excited to go to the shop. However, she did not buy anything. So Observe that the comma after however is still there. So we don't remove the comma after however, it is still there. What we have done is we have simply replaced the full stop with a semicolon, and because we have replaced the full stop with a semicolon, however starts with a small h. Semicolons can be used before phrases like in addition, for example, on the other hand, in other words, that link two independent sentences. So at times we use these phrases to show the relation between two independent sentences. We can join these sentences by putting a semicolon before these phrases. So look at these two sentences. I love badminton. On the other hand, my brother loves gymnastics. So these two are related sentences because I'm talking about my and my brother's choice of games. So these are linked sentences. And right now we are showing this linkage using this phrase on the other hand. But because there is a full stop, I have to give a long pause. I love badminton. On the other hand, my brother loves gymnastics. If I want to shorten this pause, I use a semicolon instead of full stop, and I write this O as a small o. So the sentence becomes, I love badminton. On the other hand, my brother loves gymnastics. Remember, the comma after on the other hand remains intact. So we still give a comma after on the other hand. So this phrase will remain, just the two sentences combine to form a single sentence using a semicolon. Now can you tell me what is the correct way of writing this sentence? I can play a few musical instruments, for example, guitar, violin, mandolin and keyboard. So in this case, if you see, we have used a comma before, for example, and these can be two independent sentences. I can play a few musical instruments, one sentence. For example, guitar, violin, mandolin and keyboard, other sentence. And if I want to join these two sentences, I should use a semicolon and not a comma. So before phrases like, for example, on the other hand, in addition to, we use semicolon. So before these phrases we use a semicolon. So before, for example, we should have a semicolon and not a comma. So this is how I can correctly write the sentence. So we have a semicolon over here. So these two independent sentences which can stand alone can be joined using a semicolon. So we have seen how we can use a semicolon for joining two sentences which are closely related. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, Learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.